This is I'm taking with me. This one I'm taking with me. Look at this. This state Valcani. Valcani, we got boiling many years. This the stone. Wow, that's my lucky day today. Wow, look at that. Hello. Lucky day in this world. This is straight, look, like it's burn and boil and burn and boil and burn and boil. And left like this, million years. Woo! Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at this. This I'm taking with me. This I'm taking. This real I'm taking with me. This I'm taking with me. This is very interesting. Very interesting. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. That's very interesting. And look, today I'm come here. And I said myself, God, send me find something good. Good. What is this here? Stone. What is this? Look at this one. This white stone. I'm looking for the flower stone. White stone and flower stone. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. This one very interesting. See something against my hands. Look at that. Look at this. This is like a rainbow color. A rainbow. This one. 3 colors. One. This is the skin. You see the skin? This is a beautiful skin around. And this one sort of brown, like the rainbow. It's like very interesting. This one. Very interesting. And the yellow, and like a brick and brown, and the beautiful color. This stone. Look at this stone, how beautiful. Look at this stone. Let me see. I don't want to make it dance too much. Ooh. Look at this. What is this like this? A beautiful shine. I don't know where's my glasses. What is it? This thing. Shh. Wow. This stone, same one. This is I think boil stone. The boil stone and the beautiful. It's beautiful boil stone. Wow. roast this one. Still want to roast it. Okay, where you go? Not this stone, not the stone. This one, I love this one. It's very interesting. This one, that one too. How I can carve it is very heavy for me. Break one stone, you see beautiful world. Beautiful, beautiful world. Okay, guys? Look at this. This is beautiful design and beautiful art. This is beautiful design and beautiful art.